Okay, so we were discussing about the Apache with the PHP. Okay, so in this particular module that you can able to see here, okay, Apache module, Apache with the PHP it is going to be. So when the request is going to come in, okay, in the Apache server, the different modules are going to be present here, okay, which it is going to interact with the PHP. Okay. So first thing is that when the request comes, immediately it is going to check with the mod.authentication whether it is authenticated or not, that request. If it is authenticated, as next step that it goes, okay, it is rewriting that particular authentication that it is going to be get checked over there. Then SSL mode, that is it is going to be whether it is going to be secured or not, so that SSL layer that it is going to be get checked over there. Then it is going to use that program which is going to be sent to the core PHP programming concepts, where it is going to be get compiled over there and the output is going to be given back to the system. Okay, so here Zend engine is going to be used for that. Okay, PHP is going to use Zend engines, and when it is getting compiled over there, it may require the database. So that time it is going to be get extension layers are going to be there in this. So it is going to use that particular layer to execute that particular program, and it gives the output back to the system. So here Apache server and PHP is going to get executed in this fashion. Okay, so then finally that Zend engine, what exactly that it is. So let us see that what is Zend engine it is going to be. Okay, so Zend engine is three modules are there in the PHP. First is PHP applications for handling the arrays, strings, class, mass, and other core features. Okay, extension layer is going to talk about MySQL, services, XML processing, other languages we can say. Okay, supporting libraries are going to be there. So these things that it is going to be used, extension layers. Okay, there is FTP, file transfer protocols. So those things that it is going to consider in this. Zend engine is nothing but the process it is going to be getting executed over there. How it is going to execute, let us see. This module handles the reading of the requested file, okay, compiling it and executing it. You see that first point, okay, there is a PHP code documentation is there. So it is going to request for the PHP code documents are fetched, okay, in the server, okay, storage, and later given to the Zend engine. From that it is going to be given to the Zend engine, and in the Zend engine parser is going to be there, lexical parser is going to be there. So it is going to tokenize the things, and it is given to the parser over there. It converts that one to the tokens, and those tokens are getting expressions are going to be get executed over there by in the compiler. The compiled code is going to be called as opcode. Opcodes are going to be given to the executor, where individual programs are going, things are going to be, that is opcodes are going to be get executed, and finally the output is going to be seen on the screen. Means, for example, if you are given the addition, so the opcodes, that the program is getting converted into the opcode, and you can able to run those things in any of the location. It means to say that the PHP compilers are going to use opcodes to execute that particular program. How that program is getting executed basically now, because we have seen that Zend engine is there and all, Apache server is there. Okay, everything is going to be present here. For this one, we need to install that particular application. That is LAMP. You can able to install it here. It is nothing but an application. It is. So there is a XAMPP. It is going to be called as Windows installation packages are going to be there here. Okay. Then MAMP is there. So Mac installation packages it is going to be. Okay. So here after installation, that you can able to see like this. Okay, like this you can able to see. It is nothing but Apache PHP MySQL. Apache MySQL PHP. Okay, fine. Here XAMPP is a control panel is going to appear. Okay, once if it is getting installed, okay. Just you click on this particular package, then automatically that it is going to install, because already you have been given that particular link over there, okay, to the Windows installation. So PHP requires a browser to execute. Is a local host, or you can say 127.0.0.1. if you say that, also it is nothing but a local host it is. Okay, and where your program is going to get stored, your programs are get stored in C:\XAMPP, okay, /htdocs. In this particular folder your files are going to be stored, that PHP .php. You have to write all the programs with the .php extension. Here it is going to get stored. Where it is getting executed? It is getting executed in browser with the local host. Okay, you should specify localhost / htdocs. Under that htdocs only that it is going to be there. In htdocs, if it is directly that program is there, localhost / that name of the file that you have to give it. For example, add.php. that if you are going to give, that is getting executed over there. Provided you should switch on this one, that is the Apache and MySQL. You have to start it. You have to start. Then after execution you can stop this. Then you will be going to start, the server is getting started, and when you will be going to close this one, server is getting closes over there. This is the Apache server it is.